Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to introduce this Google Gemini 2.5 latest feature called Nano Banana. This feature lets you generate and edit images using simple prompts. Whether you're a content creator or a designer, this video is for you. You don't need any complicated software, no design skills, just your imagination and a few simple prompts. So grab your device and let's dive in. First of all, head to your Google Chrome browser. Search for gemini.google.com. Open. Because we're using our mobile device, we'll walk around a little space. Alright, and moreover, this is the desktop mode. We're using the desktop mode so that we'll see some space to work with. So you have to switch your desktop mode on. Okay. Now look at this place where it says new. Try image editing with our best image model, Nano Banana. Tap on that link there so that it can switch to the Nano Banana feature. Alright, so now this is where you type your prompt or whatever it is you want to design or generate so that I can generate it for you. Okay, or if you already have an image in your device that you want to edit using Nano Banana, it is possible as well. Okay, you can import your image and edit it. You can change from one color to another. You can do a lot of things with this tool. So let's say we want to just generate an image, then continue editing it using Nano Banana. Let's see. Okay, there's a red cyber truck, right? Let me say cyber truck. A red cyber truck in front of a big house, right? It's a red cyber truck in front of a big house. Let's see what it's going to come up with. It's generating image. Let's wait for it. And this is what it came up with: a cyber truck in front of a big house. Okay, and it actually looks very okay. Looks very good. But now I say, okay, I want this cyber truck to be yellow or maybe blue. Okay, let's say, okay, yellow. Turn the cyber truck, the color of the cyber truck. Okay, the color of the truck, I can just say truck, to, let me say, blue. Okay, turn the color of the truck to blue. Let's allow it to generate and let's see what's going to happen. And there's something else I want you to notice when it has generated this image. Now, can you see that the surrounding environment did not change? It just changed the color of the truck. And that is the beauty of Nano Banana. Look at the other image. Can you see that the whole environment or surrounding is still the same, but it just changed the color of the truck? And this is the beauty of it. You can just be as creative as you want to be with this new feature. Okay, and if you already have maybe an image of whatever in your device, you can begin to edit it using simple prompts. You can change the colors, you can add things to this place. Okay, I can just add a man standing close to this Cybertruck and it's going to appear like that. Okay, let me say make a man stand near the truck. Okay, make a man stand near the truck. I did not even go into details like how the man will look or whatever, but let's just see what it's going to do. I'm just trying to bring out some things that I want you to notice about this feature. So now you can see it has added a man close to this truck, and you can see it. The man is standing near the truck. If you have your picture in your device, you can just put your picture here. You can upload your picture, ask it to make you stand near the truck, and it's going to do it. And if you want to do that, maybe if you want to upload your image from your device, you click this plus button here. If you tap on it, you see where it says upload files. You select it, okay, and select the image in your device that you want to edit, and it comes up here. Then you have to use prompt to edit it. Okay, so just try this feature, just play around with it, and just tell me how you find this feature when you drop your comment in the comment section, and I'll be waiting there to find or hear from you how your experience was using this feature. Okay, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial, and I hope you learned something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss any new video of mine. I've got more AI tips and creative hacks coming your way, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.